Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the lecture. So we'll be taking up this particular plan and we'll see how this plan is different from our previous plan. Okay. Again, everything remains the same. You can see it here. Again, they have mentioned who is the owner of this particular building, and they have given the calculation like what is the site area, what is the proposed ground floor area, what is your proposed first floor area, and what is the total area. It's again 273.19 square meter. Quickly try to do the calculation and tell me how much this comes out to be in square feet. Okay, square feet. So we know that. I'll quickly do it. You also can do it along with me so that you get an idea. So it comes out to be 2,939 square feet. Just multiply this value by 10.76, you get it in square feet. Okay. Along with that, they have mentioned it here the schedule of openings. Like, see, this time you see there are a lot of windows and doors. You have a MD for main door, D is for the normal door, PD stand for the puja room door. You have a puja room. In the typical Hindu culture, we have a puja room in our home. So PD stand for the puja door. Then we have D1, O is for the opening, O1 is for another opening, and WW1 is stand for the window. KW stand for the kitchen window. And coming to the ventilators, we have V and V1. Okay, great. Now we'll start with this particular thing. So this is a proposed construction of ground floor and first floor. So this is a typical site what they have of this shape, and they are going to do a construction here. Okay, great. Now we'll get into the ground floor plan. So right now, this is my ground floor plan. So this is a portico portion. That means portico is a small cantilever slab what you're going to put, where you can make your vehicles park there. Okay, and it's a very good place which looks good. I mean, that is where the main look for your building is going to come. So you're making an entrance from here. Okay, you can park your vehicle here, your car here, your scooter here, and now here comes the MD. It's a main door. You have a veranda here. So O1 stand for the opening. Again, you don't have a door here. You have a main door, right? Soon after that, you don't have a door here. They are given O1, and then you have a very big, living hall, which is almost 5.37 by 5.18 meter. And from there, again, you come to this portion. You have a opening here. So it's a dining area where you can sit and have your lunch. So 2.90 by 2.90, and from here itself you have an opening to the kitchen, which is again 3.96 by 2.90, and they have made a storeroom here so that you can store your groceries items and all those things can be stored here in the store portion. Okay, so that your kitchen will look neat and tidy. Okay, then you come here in the living hall. They have done this puja room. It's a puja room, and PD is a puja room door here. Then after that, we'll come to the staircase a bit later. And then you come here, you have another opening. Then here you enter, you have a bedroom number 2. Anyhow, we'll come here. You came from here. After coming here, you have this opening. You have a bedroom number 1 here. Okay. And then you're going to keep your wardrobe in this way, and you have a door in this way. And this is a attached toilet what they have. Okay. Which is 2.56 by 1.55 meter. And you have a door here. Now coming out from here, I'll go to this bedroom number 2. I'm going to keep my wardrobe in this portion, and I have a door here. And then there is a small passage which will take you to the backside of your home, where you have a utility. Utility is basically a place where you can where you can wash your clothes, you store your washing machines and all. So that is a place where why it is called as utility. And then you have a water closet here. Okay, and then you have a general bathroom. That means in the entire home, you have one attached bathroom here. Okay, and then this particular portion you have a general bathroom here and a water closet here. Okay, and then of course you have a staircase from here. You're going to take a staircase from here, come here, and then you go to the first floor. You're getting my point? So I hope this much things are clear. Now we'll come to the this thing, that is the first floor. So once you've taken a staircase, you have come to this part, you are landed here. So from here, if you enter here, you have a bedroom number 4. Okay, I think, yeah, let me not go into the bedroom number 4. I'll go to the bedroom number 3 and come to the 4. Okay, I landed here. I went here. I have a door here. Again, I have a bedroom number 3, and I've kept a wardrobe here. That means whatever is there in my ground floor, no, the same thing I've done it here. I have a general bathroom here. Here it was attached bathroom. Okay, but here they've converted that into a general bathroom. Okay, and then from here, if I come, I have a bedroom number 4. So this is my bedroom number 4. Again, I've kept a wardrobe here. And now this much area, whatever you had in the ground floor, this much entire area, almost this much area. Okay, yeah, almost this much area, whatever you had in the ground floor, isn't it? That has been converted into open space here. Okay, and then this small portion what was left out, this small portion, which was a utility in my ground floor, that has been converted into open space number 2. So a good planning they have done. They didn't want to, put lot of bedrooms. They could have even converted this into a bedroom, isn't it? Instead of keeping an open space, this bedroom, whatever three you are seeing, they could have converted that into, like, this would have been such a big bedroom. We could have done that. We could have converted this into a big bedroom, but they didn't want that to happen, and they could have converted this into a bedroom also. But still, the client maybe was not interested to do that. He was okay with a 4 bedroom, and then he has converted this into a big open space, so that whenever your friends come or you have a party, you throw a party, you can enjoy in this particular space. So that was a main intention, I feel. So that has been converted into open space. Now again, once you reach here, right now we are here, okay? So this is that particular portion. I'll draw a line over that. Yeah, this portion. Yeah. So again, the staircase remains same. Staircase we never change. Okay, it will go ground floor first floor. It remains the same. So this living hall was turned into a bedroom, and this much portion, whatever you had, like the store, the puja and all, that has been converted into a passage. Like this particular portion, this particular portion is converted into a passage area. It has been converted into a passage area, and then you don't have anything in this way. Okay, in this region you don't have anything. Only the thing is, what they have done is, this particular area, the kitchen, up to this much area, whatever they had, right, up to this area, whatever they had. Yeah, this much area. Okay, this is the entire area, but they haven't utilized the entire area. They might have used only this much area. So you can see only this much area they converted into a balcony portion. That's it. So it's a small area. Maybe up to here it's ending. I'll draw a line over there. So this is that line where it is ending. Okay, this is that line. Great. So only the thing is, this is 1.1.5 meter. This is 1.5 meter, and the length is 4.41 meter, because it's a balcony, right? You cannot take a big cantilever part. So you have to understand the structural concept. You could have taken a cantilever something like this also. Okay, you could have done something like this also. But again, since it's a cantilever, like if so, I have a beam here. So this will be like a cantilever. So I have a beam here. Okay, this is your this particular area. This particular area is this one, and here I cannot take a cantilever of this length. What will happen if you put, it will going to fall, because there is no back anchorage to that. So cantilever max to max you can go with 1.5 meter, 3 feet cantilever can be taken. Okay, that is why it is only 1.5 meter. So that is the reason you can see it is only up to here, because this is only this much cantilever I can take. Okay, I cannot take a cantilever like this. If you're taking a cantilever like this, then the depth of your cantilever, I mean the thickness of your slab, will be huge. Okay, so that is why, in order to reduce that thickness, we can only give this much cantilever, which is 1.50 meter, roughly comes out to be around 3.5 feet, and that's a good cantilever length. You can keep it. Great. So I hope your ground floor and the first floor concept is clear. And obviously, we'll come to the front elevation now. So this is how your front elevation looks. So can you tell me how the front elevation looks? See here. Yeah, we'll do in this way. So you can see I have a one window here. Okay, I'm standing here in front of that home. I can see this window. I can see this window, and I can see this door. So that is the reason you can see one door, one window, second window, and a door here. Okay. Other than that, this is my ground floor. Other than that, I cannot see anything. I can see in the first floor. So if you come to the first floor, so in the first floor, you can see this door here. You cannot see the balcony. Okay. You cannot see the balcony in this way, but you can see this door. So that is why they have drawn a door here. This is a door and door. And you can see this window also. So this is a window. But if you go to the top, I mean, if you go to the first floor top, you are going to put a parapet wall. So you can see a parapet wall here. So this is how a parapet wall is drawn. Got it? Chalo. Yeah. And this is a key map what they have put. Like this is a proposed site. This is somebody else's property. This is also somebody else's property. And they have a road what they are given. Like this road is going to Chennagiri. It's a place. And Biru is another place, and this is a bus stand what they have, and next to that they have a proposed site. Okay, yeah. So the front elevation is understood. Now come to the section. This section is very good here. So in the section you get each and every measurement, right? Like this is your ground level. Ground level is a normal level where you are going to start your construction. If you go out of your home, whatever ground level, whatever level you have, wherever you get a soil, that is your ground level. Okay, so this is my ground level. From there, I am supposed to do this much of excavation, that is 0.6 meter, and then another 10 mm, 100 mm. So 0.70 meter of excavation has to be done, and then my plinth beam will be up to this level. This is my plinth, that is 0.90 plus 0.60. This is my plinth level. Okay, and this will be my plinth beam, this much portion. And now my floor level starts. So if this floor to this floor, it is 3 meter. From this floor to this floor, it is 3 meter. Now this lintel, whatever you are putting, so this is a window what you are put, and this is a lintel whatever you are put, because wherever we have window, over the window you can see a small sunshade or a cantilever portion, okay, which will avoid the passage of water through a window, and it will also safeguard your window or your room from the excessive sunlight. So we put a sunshade. So this is that sunshade. At what height it has to be put from your ground level? It is 2.10 meter. And what should be the thickness of that sunshade? It is 0.15 meter or 150 mm. Then after that, again, it is the depth of your lintel will be 300 mm. So this is your not the lintel, this is your this thing. The brickwork what you're supposed to do, which is 0.30 meter. And then again, this is my first floor. In the first floor, from this floor level to the bottom of my lintel is again 2.10 meter. Then again, this remains the same. And what is the height of your parapet? It is mentioned here. The height of your parapet is 0.90 meter. Okay, got it? So these are the door and the other part. And then this is your width of your PCC. This is your PCC width, which is 0.90, and the thickness of your PCC is 0.10, which is 100 mm. And all these are your this thing, the stone work, or the laterite masonry work you are supposed to do here. Okay, so this is a GL level. Got it? Yeah. And these are the foundations what you're supposed to do. For the foundation, you'll be getting a different structural drawing for the footing, for the column and all. That will take up in a live project where I'm going to explain you that. Yeah. So I hope, and then they have given a small solar system here. Maybe at the top they are going to keep a solar system. So they have drawn a solar system here, and this one they are going to install at the top of the parapet. Okay, great. So I hope, and then this is of course the typical rainwater harvesting pit. Again, it's the same thing what we understood in the previous lecture. You have a ground level, then you are going to put a bore well here, and these are the RCC rings, and this is a PCC, and those pipe you are going to put and all. Okay, so in this way all the drawings will be prepared, and based on that you are going to do the construction. Great. So I hope you have enjoyed my lecture up to here. In the next lecture I'll be taking up another 2-3 different plans of a bigger building, so that we get a complete exposure to the building plan. We'll see you back in the next lecture. Thank you.